Alright, here's another little video. I will be installing some little amber lights in the grille of the F-150 here, kind of like the Raptor look. We will be putting 4 in. I've got a pack of 3, so I got 2 packs of those. We have a couple extra left over. We'll show you how we're going to take the front grille off here, not probably all the way off, but and then mount it to behind the grille here, and we'll show you exactly how to wire it in to your truck so that it comes on with your running lights. All right, stay tuned. All right, so here's a little kit that I got. Position pods, so running lights, we're going to add those to the front of the grille. It's kind of like in the picture there. So these are going to be bright yellow, and it's got a little tester button here. It says they're really bright, so we'll just check that out here. Yeah, those are pretty bright, so should look good. We're gonna figure out where we're gonna position those in the grill and figure that even them out, space them out evenly, and put them in some good spots there. All right, so we're gonna have to find the right spacing for the 4 lights, but then we got to take this cover off. There's a few push pins here and here and here. We'll have to take these out, disconnect the air intake here, lift that up so we can get in and behind here and figure out a place to put the little brackets. Okay, so I've marked out in tape here where I think it'll look good, spaced out 4 lights along there. Took the cover off. There's a whole bunch. There's some even along the back here. Got to take off little clips. But in looking here, this is a clear, or not clear, but a black plastic on a flat surface. Pretty flat all along in each of these spots here. So I think I can drill a hole right through each one of those in the middle. So what we've got here is these little bolt type lights. So I can drill a hole, stick it through there, and then possibly leave it out a bit and cinch it down right in that plastic. I think that's going to be the easiest way instead of messing with brackets and stuff. So I think we're in luck here. It will be drilling right into, where are we? Right into there. This nice flat plastic. Won't be straight level, it'll be kind of, so it's got a slight curve to it, but I don't think that'll matter at all. They're nice bright LED lights. Alright, so got 1, 2, 3, and 4 holes drilled. And right through there nicely. So I've got, I actually had to found a couple other nuts that'll go on here, so I can have it stick out a little farther closer to the grill. Put a washer and then the other nut, and we're good to go, I think. All right, I've got them all placed in there, just hand tight. So it looks like on the back side here. Bolt comes through, washer and a nut, and the black nut. Where are we? The black nut, I don't know if you can see in there. Black nut on the other side, so the sticking out a little farther. Got the ones in the middle, the 2 middle ones are sticking out as far as I can. Where are we? Hard to see it now. There we go. So the one nut's back a little ways so it sticks out. And just got the nuts just put on there loosely right now. And so I'm going to gather up all the wiring. I believe we will find out the correct wire to hook it up to down there on the left headlight. So we'll route the wires and make it look nice.
Grandpa, what are you doing?
Well, tell you what, there's, you know the truck, the big F-150 truck, it's called a Raptor?
Raptor?
Yeah, it's like a dinosaur. They've got big tires and stuff. Anyway, there's lights on the Raptor in the front. And see, Grandpa's put these lights in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are going to be bright yellow lights, and it'll kind of look like a Raptor truck and be super cool. What do you think?
Good job.
Thanks.
I want to see.
Want to lift up higher?
What?
So how does it look so far, buddy? What do you think? So let's show you what Grandpa's done here now. See? We took some little zip ties.
What's that?
That's the Traeger is ready. The barbecue is ready to put the chicken on. Okay, so let me show you what we did. We put little zip ties all along here to hold it down.
More
all
over here.
All the way back there. I got one there holding that. So got them all along here. Dropped it down. I kind of went underneath the little bar here where the hood release is, so it didn't get in the way. We went underneath there. And so now we got all the wires. I kind of cut them all off right here. So I'm going to get a little stretch of wire. We're going to solder it onto there and then down to the headlight.
I can see that.
Back in here.
Oh, I can see that the headlight.
Oh, I'm going to have to take the air box off.
What's the air box?
This here, that's an air filter. And this is the air intake. So this is all going to have to come off so I can get some room, okay? Sound like a plan? Okay. All right, so I've got the wires all over here. I cut them off and stripped them and twisted them all together, positive and negative. And I'm just going to drop a little solder on there to make it easy to attach to the wire we're going to run down to the headlight. All right, my little helper's here helping me again. So we're going to show you. I wired it quickly just to the battery pack that came with it for display. So my buddy's gonna, oh my goodness, you hold it down. Just hold it down. There they are. Nice and bright. Pretty cool. Sweet. Looks good. Easy to do, man. Just on this F-150, just drilling through there. It's just perfect for it. It's like it's made for it. All right. What do you think of that now, bud?
Good job.
Thanks, bud. Okay, use the little light tester on the headlight plug. Now I get, with just the daytime, I can't split the two. There's daytime running lights and the running lights are on. The green and red wire there, the fourth one from the right, that one is on, and then the next one over, it's a blue with a purple stripe, I think is what it is. First, second, the fifth one over. I'm guessing that one's going to be the running lights. So either one will be fine because the daytime running lights are on with the running lights. So I'm going to splice that one in for the positive line on my Raptor lights. All right, there's another F-150 video putting some Raptor lights in the grill. Pretty simple with the little bolt type lights, LEDs, and not too tough to hook up. So if you like that, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Like and subscribe. Grampzquad. See you next video.